All right. Good morning and welcome back to intraday Nifty 50 index potential wave counts and trade setups. This is your host again, Harsh from Trading Launch. And let's get started straight away on the hourly chart. We've just adjusted uh, the counts on the corrective wave ABC that we have discussed. Well, before that, those who are joining fresh, please pay attention here. This Nifty has already moved five waves lower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at a minute degree. Sorry, the sub waves were minute, and we have got wave one of the minute degree in place. Now, this is a high probable trade setup. There are alternate counts, which we will discuss as and when needed. At this point in time, as we speak, and the price action, looking at the price action, looks as the most high probable wave count. Now, if you start going further, you see a 535 kind of a rally. So that's a three wave A labeled as wave A, and what follows here, you can see it's a three down, making it a W, and then again three up, labeled as X, and we've got a potential three on its way lower. Now, any print below that 23061 would technically suffice the requirement of a WXY. All right, there's another alternate count possible, but at this point in time, we would go with intermediate wave one in place, and we are looking for an ABC expanded flat to unfold. Now, there are possible chances if wave C also unfolds as a 333 structure. We'd like to label this as a WXY then. All right. So watch out for one more dip lower below that 23060 mark before bulls are actually back, and they could be poised to bring up those five wave rally, materializing all the way towards the 25,000 mark again, which is again the medium level resistance up there. We can just get it lower a bit there, and yeah, so we're kind of expecting an expanded flat structure to unfold. Now, trading point of view, at this point, and again, we are not in a position to advise either ways, because the shorts are just look at the RSI, the divergence in RSI. Now, if you go short at this point in time, we don't have any risk reward ratio where we are going to play stop and target just below that 23,000 mark. So what we suggest ideally is we'd want the bottom to form. It's expected to do so today, possibly during the intraday session itself, and then by tomorrow, I think we would bring up the 15 minutes time frame and watch out for a subsequent five wave rally which breaks about 23,428. That's the first resistance up there, and we'll also look for the lower degree five waves impulse, right? And then a wave down lower to pick up on the long side. So that is the potential trade setup which we will be looking for in the next 28 to 48 hours to materialize. Now, for those who are looking for a slightly larger degree count and want to play towards the trend, then the big picture is going to be a bearish, a potential bearish reversal from around the 25,000 mark, which takes us all the way lower, uh, dragging towards, possibly we'll take the Fibonacci extensions as well if required, and let's see where the potentials is. All right, so the first target itself is around the 28,000 mark. The second should be around 20,000 or just below that. All right, so even the Fibonacci retracements are pointing towards the 25,100 mark. region where bears should be back in control, and they should be well poised to come back in control around that zone. All right. So we will be watching closely intraday, and early tomorrow we'll be back with another video where we could have a potential aggressive long trades with a stop just below that low around the 23,000 mark. We'll look out for that aggressive trade setup around 20 with a potential target of around 25,000 going forward. All right. So that's it for today, and we'll be back again tomorrow. If you're liking this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also forward. Uh, and we'll be back again tomorrow. Until that time, as always, thank you for watching, and take care and God bless. Goodbye.